Okay, so it's a bit heavy today. I wonder why. Oh, look. Camping gear. Hopefully going to go for a bit of a woodland camp. That's the general idea. It's all kitted up. I will show you when I get there what I've got and what I'm taking with me. So get kitted up. Let's get going. Alright, let's find somewhere to pitch. Okay, one Thermarest, one Coleman's, one Thermarest 30 years old at least, one Coleman's tent 30 years old at least. If anybody can shed any light, I'll get this out in a bit and I'll show you all the specs and what writing's on the bag. I'd love to know exactly how old it is. I know it's over 30, but there we go. It'd just be interesting to find how it's held up. Okay, so there you go. 200822 BOA, 2 persons in all at 100 centimeters. It weighs 3.2 kilos. I suppose nowadays that's quite heavy, isn't it? Jewelry aluminium poles, whatever that was, a nylon tent. Okay, it came with the bag. It came this waterproof. Yeah, let's get it out. Let's get it up. Could rain exactly as well. Looking that good. Made a bit of space over here. Let's see if it fits. Right. There we go. That's just about right. Yeah, spot on. There's a big bee out there and he's attracted to the orange on the outside of the tent. Hope he goes home sometime. Anyway, so here's my view and my foot. Look at that room. I can even go diagonal if I wanted to. Brilliant. Okay, so that cup of tea now. So what I'm using is the fire maple. Probably one of the safest things you can use, actually. I'll put a link in the description down below on Amazon. This comes with a little thing. I did a video on this one. It's quite a clever bit of kit, actually. What you can get in it. So your handle comes down and locks. It does look, I promise you. Oh, hold on. Okay, I'll do that again. Instead of me trying to push it down, it just does it itself. okay, then it locks solid. Oh, absolutely. Take the lid off, take your burner out. Okay, underneath the burner is a stand. Take the stand out, not being funny here. Take that out, and then in the bottom here, right at the very bottom, is the ultimate, and this is for putting your pans on as well. So not only does it boil water extremely fast, but you can do anything, like pots, pans, whatever. Right, so take that out for one second, and then what we do now is we got the gas cylinder. Oh, I'm going to take the lid off that. Make sure you've got your controller out of the way. So I've got a miniature, this is a miniature propane butane cylinder. Oh, come on, Marcus. There we go. Right, so that goes on like so. Move the pot for a second. Get the stand. This is a clever one because it takes the big cans or the small cans, and you can see by the little ridges there. Okay, they all lock into position like so, and then there we go. So that makes it really sturdy. Don't want it too near your tent. That's the last thing you want to do, is burn your tent down. And then this locks into place. It pushes until it fits down, and then it twists like so, and it can't come off. Okay. And what we do then, let's pull this back a bit. Well, you'll see that. Hold on, it's not. That's better. Okay, so you've got a separate igniter down there. So get your water jug, and I also bought this. This was £6. I think £6. I'll put the link in the description. It was off eBay. Thermal mug, brilliant. And you can do a little sip there, or you can do a big sip. So I'm not too sure it holds, actually. Doesn't say. No, okay. So I'll just guess a bit more than that, I would say. That'll do. And then what we do then, pop the lid on. Make sure this is absolutely balanced perfect. Turn it on. Voila! And for convenience, because I'm out in the wilderness, hundreds and hundreds of miles away from anyone, I'm going to use these, and these are 3-in-1. You get them from B&M really cheap. I think they're about $2.99 for 12 packs, something like that. And they are 3-in-1 caramel coffee, and they are yummy. This is the size of the mug I'm going to use too. Nearly there. Pretty safe as well. Oh, yeah, really. You can see it boiling. Look at it boiling. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Full rolling boil. Just turn him off. There we go. And then it's all cool. It's all cool. As long as you don't touch that. This keeps it warm for, well, I've had it for about an hour before now, and it's still nice and warm. Hot, actually. And if you want a big sip, that side like that. If you want a small sip, you put it that side like that, see? Okay, so your vestibule's a little bit tiny, but does the job. You can put your boots out there, of course. Well, once the door's down. You can put quite a bit in there. Your rucksack will go in there. My rucksack will go in there, but I'm on my bike, so yeah, it should be fine. Oh, my lighting system for tonight is this, which is the most tiniest, and sort of thought, well, why not? I bought them for a decorative thing for a mate, but he didn't want them. He said, no, I don't like them, so I kept them. I found them the other day, and I just thought, oh, look at that. That'll be lovely in here. It'll last for ages, and I got 2 spare batteries just in case, but I'm not going to. It's only going on for an hour. Okay. Sorry. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's dark in here. It's getting dark. It's now 20 to 9. I'm just going to... This is my little bit of a lighting system here. Hold on, and... boom! I know, childish but very pretty. And they were spare, so I thought, why not? That does look quite nice, doesn't it? Very homely. Right, so I'm going to be hitting the sack soon. Not to up there, but 9:30. But I just thought I'd show you the lighting system. The bed's ready to go. The pillar, it's not the best light in here. So I'm just going to tidy up a little bit, put everything nice and safe. And I'll get back to you in a bit. Right, I think I'm going to hit the sack. It looks light outside, but actually it's gone nice. But it's 9:30, I think. And it's getting dark. Look, you can see there's not much I can do anyway. Do us a favour, if you like the video of the camping one, give us a thumbs up, because well, like I said in a previous video, it helps the channel because YouTube is sort of clamping down a little bit, and the more thumbs up you get, the more algorithms they whatever, I don't know how it works anyway, but it keeps the channel going. We're in. That's my lighting system. I'll turn that off now. There we go, look at that. You can see it's darker now. Look, it's getting dark. All right, I'm going to hit the sack, chill, and I'm sorry I haven't done any cooking. This is just an experiment to see if these videos are liked or not. I presume they are. I like watching camping videos. If you do, please give us a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe if you would be so kind. And leave a comment down below saying, yeah, let's see some more camping ones. I will do them with pleasure, either on the bike, which I've been using on this one, or in the van, and we'll camp out, we'll go fishing, all that sort of stuff. So please, yeah, give us a thumbs up. That would be fantastic. Take care, and I'll see you in the morning for a lovely cup of Yorkshire tea. Take care. Love you all. All the best. See you in the morning. Morning, campers. It was okay. It was I've been up and went out for a wee, which I have to do in the mornings, and it's quite pleasant. It's warm. It's warm in here. It's not really cold or anything. There's no damp. That hole here. Apart from that, I loved it. It was all right. Your face got a little bit cool, but yeah, that's all right. That's no problem. I'm going to jump up, have a cup of tea. Oh yeah. I did get up this morning. I mean, I know I'm missing one of the toggles here, but I did notice this as well for a really old tent, which it is. You got 2 zips at the front, and one leaves you with a fly sheet. Didn't know that one. I forgot about that. That's how much I've used it. Okay. Let's try and get out of it. Shouldn't do that really. Hold on one sec. Ooh. Actually, that wasn't out earlier. That's a bonus. Look at that. Beautiful. Right, I'm going to get this thing going, and this fire maple have a cuppa. Yeah. Okay, we're done. Okay, so I'm going to have my coffee, tidy up. I'm going to give another shout out for these. I don't have to, they didn't tell me to, it's got nothing to do with them. But the fire maple, I got to admit, it made this little bit of a camping trip so convenient. I mean, you know, all in one. Even with the adapter, you can put your pans on and whatnot. So I'm going to give them another shout out. They haven't asked me to or anything like that. I did a video on this for them and that was it. They sent me this free of charge. But yeah, thank you Fire Maple once again. Absolutely superb. That is a very convenient way of cooking and boiling water. Right, on that note, if you're still with me, thank you very much. If you'd like to give it a thumbs up, like I said before, that does help the channel at the moment. It's they're working on whatever hits you get. So that would be fantastic. I'll give you another bit of a... This is where we are. Like I said, hundreds and hundreds of miles away from any civilization. It's a bit of a fib. Alright, so shift chaff in the background. Beautiful sunrise. Might be able to get in the sun today and get a bit of a tan on. Oh, there we go. Alright, I won't show you me taking this down because I think I'm going to leave it up for now. Go home because we're babysitting today and then I'll have to come back later on. That's the truth. So I won't have time. Alright. Take care, love you all loads. If you follow me, that's fantastic, and we will definitely catch you in the next video. Thanks very much. Take care.